When you back of your travel?
Today with the morning.
Okay, have a sit. We missing you, really. My friend. Why are you crying?
If you not forget, I bought a goat 3 weeks back.
Yes, I know.
So now she's sick. In brief, it is close to die.
What is worrying her?
Corona, various pandemic, and color.
So which action you taken?
I don't know what will I do. Tell me your think about.
Advertise, quarantine her first. Likewise, there is special among the specialist veterinary doctor. In Guri, visit him at his clinic, BA MANDUMA, owing to get some consultations.
My name is Aliyu Yaya Maes, comprehender.
I am Hassan Almit, joining us on our YouTube channel Wareri Comedian House. Also, we are ready to advertising your materials as soon as you given.
Thank you.